Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is I, the Charles Obaye, just here. I'm making another educational video um, on end cards. So I found out how to do it. Most of you guys probably know how to do it, but this is my version of the video that I'm gonna make. First, uh, let's say you want to end your end card, add your card, add your end card. So this is one of my videos, vlogging videos I did so recently. So I want to add an end card, right? So what you do, oh shoot, okay, so what you do is you have all your information in here. So you press end card, and you press that one. For example, you can obviously move around, and for rear you can do this, and I'm going to do that. And so now that you have everything that now you have everything in place, you want to press save, right? You want to press save, and it will seem like YouTube already did it, right? Well, my experience, I don't know your guys' experience, but it will seem like YouTube already added the end screen, right? And then let's just say you go to your you go to your channel, you go to watch your video, and it's not there. Well, what I did, in my experience, when I'm done with this, when I'm done doing all this, I click on view on YouTube, and it will play my video. Yeah. See, it was snowing, all that stuff, and I forward my video to my channel. I really appreciate it. All right, and you see, stay safe. All right. It it appeared. Oh shoot. Really appreciate safe. You see, right. The end screen there appeared with my subscribe. So in my experience, I figured that out. So it's very effective. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If I didn't make sense about something, comment down below. I will enjoy feedback, and I will respond to your questions. So anyways, hope you guys have a good day, good time. So anyways, all right, laters.